Dream even if the world says not to. For dreams bring those things that reality cannot give you. They fill your life with positivity. They make you more confident even if the world doesn't want to. Dream, my dear, because at the end of the day, all big accomplishments have always started with a dream. With these fascinating lines, good afternoon, namaste, and welcome. I, Anjali Anand,
And I, Tanisha Agrawal.
welcome you all to the virtual Praram 2020. On this very special day, I extend my heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Assistant Director Ma'am, Administrator Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear and winsome juniors.
Allow me to express my gratitude to revered judges who had been with us during Abhivyakti, and some of them are present with us today to witness this event. Thank you so much, dear judges, for sparing your precious time, and apologies to the audience if somewhere we may face technical glitch in between the program.
Well, this day shall be a remarkable one as we are hosting Praram on virtual platform for the very first time. Though we all may not be seeing each other physically, but thanks to the online platform that we are able to connect with each.
This is surely a special day for dear freshers too, as you shall come forth with new challenges, new milestones and achievements today and in coming years. This is a day of nostalgia for many. It is a day with many new mixed feelings of happiness, confusion and excitement. But don't worry, we all are here for you to make sure that this journey is a memorable one for all of you.
Trust me, this is going to be the best roller coaster ride of your journey, full of fun, knowledge, growth, ultimate success. The day you will end this journey, you will surely miss the memorable time that you are going to spend here. Over to co-anchors Shalini and Kajal.
When darkness comes, let us not blame the dark, but light a lamp to illuminate. Let us all pray to Almighty that these days shall pass too, and we shall see a healthy and wealthy India in the years to come. Let's witness the lighting of lamp.
Let's light the diyas, one for overcoming this and one for the prosperity of our country.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते
Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. And we all are blessed to have our principal ma'am who showers her blessing on each and every birds of Sunbeam's garden. I shall request our very dear principal ma'am to address the young minds of Sunbeam.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind. I welcome the new member to our prestigious college. This year, we are doing Virtual Freshers Party Praram 2020, which is more different and challenging than other years. But Sunbeam love to accept challenges. Thus, we do better today than yesterday. I congratulate you all for taking admission in the best college of the Purvanchal region. This is actually the first step towards following your dream and achieving your goal. Sunbeam does not only focuses on education, but it works in a 360-degree manner by developing personal qualities such as leadership, confidence, hard work, self-belief in all to mold a versatile, good person and successful professional through 21st century skills. Many students of our college now occupy a high position in well-known organization in India and abroad. I have full faith that all current students will also reach the summit of success. I ensure that we'll do our best to equip you with the best possible teaching resources, either it is online, offline, practical knowledge, and virtual training methods, so that you can make a challenging work for your life and can prepare you for career. You all have been through the virtual stage of Abhivekti 2020, and here today is a grand finale. Abhivekti is not just a mere competition, but it is a doorway to prove your worth for all upcoming events like competitions, workshop, planning, and management. Through this platform, you walk into the world of opportunity. I take pride in sharing that all the student mentor who have been taken effort to present a successful event of today. They are the live example of what I have just mentioned. After graduating from here, you will surely going to remember the value of the college as a memorable milestone. All the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
O Lord Ganesha, you having a curved trunk, large body, possessing a brilliance of million suns, please remove all the obstacles for my country at all time. With the blessing of Ganpati Bappa, let's start with our first performance, presenting before you the most energetic bunch of performers.
Get into the place, get into the groove.
What an energy.
What a performance.
Dear audience, extremely glad to share that we have had the talent hunt Abhivyakti 2020 for a week through virtual platforms, which had vivid events. To name a few, the talk show, great debate, speechcraft, spin a yarn, musical, and footnotes to explore the dance enthusiast. Abhivyakti provided the opportunity to all the freshers to exhibit their talents.
The college got some amazingly talented people who have the spark in them to be better than yesterday, a better version of themselves, and constantly mentored by our team of excellent professors and council members. Talent and skills are the crops that are nurtured, groomed, and given all possible opportunities to grow and bloom.
Isn't it, freshers? So gear up to give a round applause with your virtual emoticons to congratulate the winners. Our very first category is Lata Mangeshkar Award for the Best Vocalist, and the award is banked by Miss Jyoti Pandey of BCom First Year C. Congrats, Jyoti. आसमान से ऊंचा कोई नहीं, सागर से गहरा कोई नहीं, यूं तो मुझको सभी प्यारे हैं, पर आपसे प्यारा कोई नहीं.
Next, we have the Sudha Murthy Award for the Best Writer in English and in Hindi. And the award for the Best Writer in English goes to Ms. Rafina Shahid of PMC. Congratulations, Rafina. And now, the Best Writer in Hindi is grabbed by Ms. Swecha Singh of BCom First Year C. सीख रही हूं अब मैं पढ़ने का हुनर. सुना है चेहरे पे किताबों से ज्यादा लिखा होता.
Next in the row is Vaibhavi Merchant Award for the Best Contemporary Dancer, and the winner is Miss Shivi Upadhyay. She is a performer with an attitude. Her dance is a magical poetry which is ethereal.
Up next, we have the winner of Sonal Mansingh Award for the Best in Classical Dance. And the proud lady is Miss Ayushi Pandey of BCom First Year A. She firmly believes that a dancer who is creative will better know the ways of engaging the audience in a unique experience throughout the dance performance.
Proud to announce the winner of Ella Arjun Award for Best in Folk Dance, and she is Miss Priyanshi Srivastava of BCom First Year A. Congrats, Priyanshi. मंजिल भी जिद्दी हैं, रास्ते भी जिद्दी हैं. देखते हैं क्या होता है, क्योंकि इनके हौसले भी जिद्दी हैं.
Ladies and gentlemen, please show up the clap emoticons for the lady who bagged the award for being the most versatile person. The Priyanka Chopra Award goes to Ms. Shreya Saraf of BCom First Year B. She keeps herself content by doing numerous things and makes sure that her next role is completely different from the last one. She explores her talent to make new standards. Congratulations, Shreya.
Next, we have the Shushmita Sen Award for being the most eloquent lady, and she is none other than Miss Soumya Pandey of BCom First Year A. Your words means more than what is said down on paper. It's your voice that infuse them with the shades of deeper meaning.
Dear freshers, I hope it was Dear freshers, I hope it was a joyful ride for you all, driven with lots of love. As we all know, this time the things were quite different, but the energy and the enthusiasm shown by these young minds are appreciable. To make this day more memorable, we have a beautiful message from one of our seniors, Ms. Dipanshi Srivastava.
Hello to the new faces of Sunbeam. I wholeheartedly welcome you all to have an adventurous, exciting, and glorious journey of Sunbeam College for Women Bhagwanpur. And my name is Dipanshi Srivastava, and I'm an alumna of Sunbeam, batch 2017 to 2020. I'm currently based in Concentrix, Gurgaon. And also, I got selected through campus selection from Sunbeam itself. And well, I got to know that Abhivakti is happening over there, and I instantly got a rush of nostalgia, recalling my good old Abhivakti days. And when I was a fresher, I participated in singing and elocution. So, not only Abhivakti, but Sunbeam gives you a platform where you experience so many things, where you experience and it shapes you as a person with perspective. It shapes you to be a person with the best version of yourself. And you gain perspective, you learn new things, you learn how to take stand, you learn how to stand out of the crowd and make decisions, you learn that leadership potential. And there are amazing mentors over there to guide you throughout these years. So it's going to be a ride, a roller coaster ride, which is only going to take you higher. So buckle up and grab every opportunity that comes in your way. Try new things and make mistakes, learn from it. And well, I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Dipanshi, for sending such a beautiful note for our freshers. Let us now relive the moments of Abhivakti 2020.
Morning and Jai Hind everyone, and congratulations for hosting yet another Abhivyakti. Sunbeam College for Women Bhagwanpur has been doing Abhivyakti from last so many years. This is an opportunity for all the girls to not only showcase what talent they have, it is an opportunity for all other girls or everyone to polish their skills, to appreciate the efforts of others, and to learn from each other's experience. I wish Abhivyakti all the very best. And this year, yes, we are missing that fun, that live performances on the stage, and that laughter and that canteen time. But I'm sure this virtual Abhivyakti will take us to another level, and we will not miss this opportunity to learn and grow. All the best to the team Abhivyakti, Pratima ma'am, Madhulika ma'am, Vibha ma'am, and all of you, Sudeshna ma'am, involved in hosting the show. God bless you all. And all the best to the Student Council, who is taking such keen effort in seeing that the events are done successfully. Thanks to all the judges who are there and who are helping us out like every year. Once again.
Independence in the year 1997, measures to free the broadcast media from the control of the government has been taken under the Prasar Bharati Act. But who will free the media from the control of TRP? Our media is considered to be the fourth pillar of democracy, which has responsibility in shaping public opinion. But nowadays, the news is not news anymore. It's entertainment.
Here, I would like to say that even if you are not a confident person, even if you are not a go-getter by nature, grab the stage, grab every opportunity in Sunbeam to make your voice heard and your presence felt.
Abusadamente.
Mas só que a profissão das minas é
abusadamente. Ela vai batendo, bum, bum. Ela vai sentando, bum. Ela vai quicando, bum, 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 bum. Ela vai batendo. bum. Ela vai quicando, bum. Ela vai sentando, bum, bum, bum.
Abusadamente ela vem batendo. Bum, 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 bum.
बाहों में तेरी मैं आके लगा, मेरा सफर तो यहीं तक है, तुमसे शुरू तुम पे ही खत्म, मेरी कहानी तुम्हीं तक है, दिल को जो दे राहत सी तुझ में है वो खामोशी, सौ बार तलाश लिया खुद को, कुछ तेरे सिवा न मिला मुझको, सांसों से रिश्ता तोड़ भी लूं, पर तुमसे तोड़ न पाऊंगी। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, तार जाए पर वचन न जाए, रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, सातों जन्म से किया घर मोरे परदेसिया, आओ पधारो पिया घर मोरे परदेसिया, आओ पधारो पिया। आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है, आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है, आपसे भी खूबसूरत आपके अंदाज है, आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है, आपसे।
Indeed, a mesmerizing one. I wish I shall too connect the same way with my college as my senior have it.
I shall now request Honorary Director Sir to say a few words for freshers.
So, on behalf of the entire management of Sunbeam Sunbeam College for Women, Bhagwanpur, I would like to welcome all the freshers to Abhivyakti, and it's a grand finale of Abhivyakti, and I'm so happy to see the participation from the freshers for this program. Many of you perhaps have not even said making it up by learning how to use online learning tools such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams, etc. So every crisis has an opportunity, and with the help of Madhulika ma'am, Vibha ma'am, and Sudeshna ma'am, I'm sure all you young ladies are ready to take on the mantle of womanhood and take up the leadership which society expects from you. So with that, congratulations for the wonderful program. Back to the anchor.
Thank you so much, sir.
स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा था, सजदार की गई कुछ मिनट की बात हजारों किताबें पढ़ने से बेहतर होती हैं। आपके पास मौका है, मैं थोड़ी देर और ऑनलाइन हूँ इसके बाद।
Ha ha ha. Enough of your lame jokes. Well, the next performance that we shall be witnessing is a surprise for all of us. क्या करें? बता दें?
नहीं, दिखा देते हैं।
Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Gama bala, gama, gama bala, gama esa. Gama bala, gama, gama bala, gama esa. Gama ni pa gama, gama bala, gama esa. Za 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 gama basa, gama. I'm in love with your body. Why?
Wow, what a beautiful performance. The performance was prepared and presented by our dear freshers and mentored by Soma Ghosh, a student of final year. Well done, freshers.
दोस्तों से प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज बुद्धू सब ऐसी सॉल्यूशंस देते हैं कि बंदा प्रॉब्लम ही भूल जाता है।
You and your jokes. आपके जोक्स खत्म हो गए हो तो आगे बढ़ सकते हैं।
Yes, why not?
It is a moment full of joy, a moment of pride and accomplishments, a moment of celebration. Now is the time we acknowledge and encourage the talent of those who accepted the challenge and created magic through their talents at the virtual platform during Abhivekti. Over to co-anchors Shalini and Kajal.
Moving towards the next set of awards, we have the winner of Shiv Khera Award for being the best orator, and the proud lady is Ms. Yashvi Yadav of BCom 1B.
Spinning TV.
Up next, we have Opera Winfrey Award for most articulate speaker, and she is Miss Kritima Pandey of BCom 1B.
She believes that if you speak, you can influence. If you can influence, you can change lives. Next in the row is Jamini Roy Award for Most Creative Person, and she is Miss Shivi Upadhyay of BZC. इनकी सोच महान है। ये कहती हैं कि हौसले की तरकश में कोशिश का वो तीर जिंदा रखो। हार जाओ चाहे जिंदगी में सब कुछ, मगर फिर से जीतने की उम्मीद जिंदा रखो।
Proud to announce the winner of Sabira Merchant Award for being the finest rhetorician, and the winner is Miss Harshita Malhotra. यह आसमान का इशारा है, कल का सूरज तुम्हारा है।
Delighted to state that the next award for most consistent performer is backed by Miss Lavanya R of BZC. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। Please put your virtual hands together for the winner of Bain Shapiro Award for Best Debater, For and Against, and the award is backed by Miss Anushka Mishra of PMC and Miss Harshita Sharma of BCom 1C. Coincidentally, these two girls have the same opinion that all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them.
Up next, we have Steve McCree Award for Best in Photography, and the proud winner is Miss Ayushi Pandey of BCom 1A. Wow, that was indeed marvelous, my dear freshers, and heartiest congratulations to the winners.
कहाँ सपने सजाए कॉलेज के, विद्यार्थी भर रहे थे एंट्रेंस फॉर्म। कहाँ सपने सजाए कॉलेज के, विद्यार्थी भर रहे थे एंट्रेंस फॉर्म। किसे पता था आज वही विद्यार्थी बजाएंगे ताली थ्रू वर्चुअल इमोटिकॉन्स। अब क्या बताएं, कोरोना का जो काल है, देन एंड नाउ की बात ही कुछ और है। देन की अगर करे जो बात, मजा तो बहुत आता था। क्लासरूम से सिम्फनी तो कभी सिम्फनी से सृजन। फ्रेशर्स वीक का पूरा हफ्ता जाने कब कट जाता था। स्टेज फियर और नर्वसनेस से अपना बुरा हाल हो जाता था, पर जब तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से पूरा कॉलेज गूंज उठ जाता था तो मजा तो बहुत आता था। अब क्या बताएं, कोरोना का जो काल है, देन एंड नाउ की बात ही कुछ और है। नाव की करे जो बात, नाव की करे जो बात, पर पहले सब मार्क्स तो पहन लो। 6 फीट दूरी मार्क्स से जरूरी, ने जाने थोड़े फ्रेशर्स की कितने खाब। 6 फीट दूरी मार्क्स से जरूरी, ने ना जाने थोड़े फ्रेशर्स की कितने खाब। पर इतिहास रच दिया तुम सबने करके वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पर परफॉर्म। तुम्हारी भी कुछ कमी नहीं थी मेहनत में, तुम्हारी भी कुछ कमी नहीं थी मेहनत में। Join the meeting at 5 to attend the practice session today. अब क्या बताएं, कोरोना का जो काल है, then and now की बात ही कुछ और है।
To give you all the glimpse of past, here we have proceed with Abhivyakti then and now. तो क्यों बैठे हो खाली, वर्चुअल इमोटिकॉन से बजा डालो ताली। शुक्रिया शुक्रिया।
Sunbeam has always been my way to embrace new experiences. I still remember the first time I was standing on the Abhivyakti stage holding the mic. And if I go back to time, I still have vivid memories about the day when Chairman Sir and Ma'am gave me the title of Miss Fresher. Sunbeam is the way you can believe in yourself, be proud about yourself. My journey has been incredible, and now you have the opportunity to make your journey the best it can ever be. So while you are at Sunbeam, make sure you enjoy and cherish every moment. You learn something new. You learn to believe in yourself. You learn to explore new avenues, and most importantly, you learn to make memories that you have treasured forever. Thank you, and take care and enjoy and shine like Sunbeam.
Warm greetings to Chairman Sir, Director Ma'am, Madhulika Ma'am, Vibha Ma'am, dear teachers, and all my juniors. I am a proud alumna of this college. Studying the 3 years in Sunbeam College will surely bring out the best in you. My experiences have been fulfilling and rewarding. I mean, those experiences I cherish. I remember when I took part in Abhivyakti as an anchor, I was really, I was afraid because I had stage fear. But all the reinforcement, motivation, and support of my teachers, my friends made me do that. I overcame my stage fear and spoke in front of thousands of people. And that was amazing. That was awesome. In the same way, I would wish you all the luck, all the best. Search for your hidden talents and give your best shot and come out as a pro. All the very best, everyone. And may you achieve a zenith of success and make Sunbeam College, Bhagwanpur proud.
Don't lose your grip on the dreams of the past.
my dear teachers, and yes, all my dear freshers in this college. Well, it feels really great to get an opportunity to address all the new faces of Sunbeam. I know finishing school life and entering into college life is extremely an exciting moment of life. And I welcome you all the freshers to one of the best college. Yes, Sunbeam. Sunbeam is actually not just a college, it's an emotion. And you will realize this after spending 3 years in this college like I do. I miss Sunbeam a lot. You all must have participated in Abhivekti. And Abhivekti is one of the platform which will give freshers an opportunity to showcase whatever talent they possess on the personal front. So I first of all I congratulate all of you who have participated in Abhivekti.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Shivi Upadhyay. During this whole pandemic thing, some curious students like me were thinking about their college life. And I got admission in Sunbeam College for Women, Bhagwanpur. It's been 2 months for me here. And in this short period of time, I have met some of the most influential and hardworking teachers who have held our hands in the very beginning for not just academics, but also the extracurricular and co-curricular activities. And I'm sure that they are leading us towards a very bright, enthusiastic, and beautiful 3 years of our life. We had Abhivyakti with a lot of different events, and that gave us the opportunity to show what we have got in our pockets. I'm grateful to everyone for turning these little buds into some of the most beautiful flowers. Thank you.
It was a crush, but I couldn't get enough. It was a rush, but I gave it up. It was a crush, now I might not wanna say too much.
Hello everyone, I am Shruti Tiwari from Sunbeam College for Women, Bhagwanpur, and I am currently pursuing my BCA degree from here. As we all know that Sunbeam College for Women, Bhagwanpur is one of the most prestigious college. Everyone wanted to take admission in this, as I was also wanting to take, and yeah, I did. I found. So I really find myself very lucky to be the part of this college. Although I'm a fresher here, but I feel very proud to say that really I haven't faced any problem in cooperating with the teachers. So thank you so much teachers for that. I also participated in Abhivekti here, which I found one of the most interesting. I participated in 2 events, that was the quiz show and the musical event. In the quiz show, although it was the teamwork, so we secured, we were the first runner-up, and in musical events, we didn't know the result, but it was good. Yeah, talking about the online classes, then thank you so much the administration that they are providing us these facilities so that we can study, we can gain knowledge by being at our home only. So thank you so much for that, and it is also really very good in this college. So thank you so much for that. So I just wish that my upcoming 3 years would be the most memorable years of my life, for me, and in which I can take my steps forward in improving more and more myself, my skills, and etc. things in everything. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much teachers. Thank you so much this college. Really, the most important one is that thank you so much the administration. Thank you so much, ma'am.
That's all it was, so I gave it up. All those things I shouldn't do, but you did it. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. They know God didn't leave this, so keep dancing. Doing it all night, all summer. Gotta spend it like no other.
Wow, That was really nostalgic. We are glad to inform you that we are also streaming live over Facebook, so everyone can join us on Facebook to watch Praram 2020.
A pessimist complains about the wind, an optimist tries to change it, and a leader adjusts the sails. The sails for this particular notion were adjusted by a person who is not only a great motivation to all of us, but a visionary and the person who gave us the belief to bring together this event. She is none other than our beloved Assistant Director, ma'am. I request ma'am to address us.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind, everyone. Well, the year 2020 is magical in the sense that it has reduced the canvas to the size of my desktop screen, and it has increased the canvas to include people who are not here, who are away from a range of many kilometers to even across a continent. That is the magic of 2020. And if 2020 is so magical, can the sunbeams be far behind in giving it and lending it their own special brand of magic? So Abhivyakti saw the magic unfold before us. For a week long, it was a bonanza, it was a gift for everything aesthetic, whether it was the performing arts, whether it was the virtual word wars in the debates, whether it was the presentations. I think the freshers have really outdone themselves in presenting their very best to the new college that they have decided to call their own. For us, Abhivyakti is not only about nurturing and identifying talent, it is also for all of us in the management and the faculty, it is also a means of getting the vibe of the youth of the country. When you all put forward your thoughts and ideas and expressions in Abhivyakti, we get the pulse of the nation. Because you know what? Each year, a new batch brings with it some fresh thought, some new ideas, some very original stances and opinions. And that is what we look forward to. So I always tell to the team, Madhulika ma'am, Vibha ma'am, I always tell them that we are lucky to be in education because we are surrounded by so much of youth and vibrance. We really do not have to worry about age catching up with us or us ever becoming irrelevant contextually because you all help to identify and give meaning to our context. So the winners, of course, will be celebrating that they have been honored and they have been given their rewards for their efforts. But my heart is with all those who participated because winning or losing is just one momentary thing. Those who win today will never win tomorrow is never ever said. And those who lose today can never ever dream of winning is also not true. So what is important is coming out of your comfort zone, is taking up the challenge, is going up there and saying, I can and I will because I want to do it. It's very important that we take that all important and meaningful step towards self-discovery. And Abhivyakti, of course, is our way of helping you understand what is amazingly wonderful and truly original within you. So, welcome. The formal welcome to Sunbeam College, Bhagwanpur happens today, where we have been able to witness so many other dimensions to your personality other than you being a wonderful student in the virtual classrooms. To all the freshers, I would say, seize the moment. Do not allow yourself to be the second best ever and define what you mean to the world. All the best for the 3 years ahead and for a lifetime of being a sunbeam. Congratulations to the winners. We are with you, and I hope that during the course of 3 years and later, we share many more milestones of your success with you. Madhulika ma'am, Vibha ma'am, all the faculty members, Sudeshna ma'am, who have made this wonderful, wonderful event possible. Kudos to your spirit and to your enthusiasm. And of course, to my wonderful student council and my senior most members of the third year. Thank you for coming up with so much of enthusiasm and spirit to welcome the freshers amongst us. Here's to new beginnings. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It has always been an immense pleasure listening to you.
You're perfect, imperfectly perfect. You're perfect and you know you're worth it. No one could take your place. No, you don't have to change. You're perfect, imperfectly perfect. Embrace yourself, not negatively. You're unique and that's the way to be. Love yourself. There's only one you. Anyone who disagrees hasn't got a clue. With these lines of imperfectly perfect, let's see a very meaningful performance which was earlier staged in the Youth Festival of our college by the Divas of Sunbeam College for Women, Bhagwanpur.
Imperfectly perfect is exactly what I am. Love me or leave me, but take me as I am. Beautifully broken, but stronger than ever. I wouldn't be where I am without this endeavor. Perfectly flawed, but happy as can be. I will show the world this beautiful me. The struggles and the heartache showed me my strength, showed me I'm not the weakest link. Once you see yourself for your perfect imperfections, only then you will see your true reflection. Love yourself for the good and the bad. Don't let the negativity make you mad. Understand there is no need for you to be perfectly perfect. Yes, there is no need for you to be perfectly perfect. Worth it. Don't let the world break you down and steal your dreams. You alone can accomplish anything. No matter how broken, no matter how flawed, I will come out on top and hear you applaud. I won't beat up myself for the things I can't do, for the things beneath my dignity. Because the only one stopping myself from doing it is me. Don't hold yourself back in fear of failing. Don't give up or think ever of bailing. Keep pushing yourself until you succeed. Do it for you. Make yourself believe. Understand there is no need for you to be perfectly perfect. Yes, there is no need for you to be perfectly perfect.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say were wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned up. Starting right now, I'll be scarred. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fire left in me. तुझरा तोड़ के उड़ जाना है, बाहें खोल के उड़ जाना है. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. उड़ जाना my power's turned up. I'll be scared. My fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. तुझरा तोड़ के उड़ जाना है, बाहें खोल के उड़ जाना है. तुझरा तोड़ के उड़ जाना है, बाहें खोल के उड़ जाना
Wow, you all truly filled us with positivity.
The most exciting moment has arrived.
Exciting?
Yes, definitely. The journey to be the final 14 contestants of Freshers nominees was nevertheless easy. All the contestants had to qualify 2 different rounds. The first round, where they had to opine and express themselves virtually before Administrator Ma'am and Principal Ma'am, and thereafter the second round, having an interface with Assistant Director Ma'am.
There were total 80 contestants, out of which the most deserving 14 have been selected. The selection criteria were judged on different parameters, such as communication skill, confidence, and impromptu delivery.
Let us have the glimpses of the finest 14 finalists of Miss Freshers 2020.
But
Hey, Robin.
We the best. Call it love and devotion. Call it a mom's adoration. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen,
Tell me what you need tonight. Maybe I can take the time. We don't ever have to fight. Just take it step by step.
I don't know if you can take it. No, you wanna see me naked. So comfortable living in the bubble. So comfortable we cannot see the trouble.
Oh,
We are honored to have our chairman, sir, amongst us. We welcome you, sir, to the Pradam 2020. Dear audience, let's move on to host the most sensational phase of the event, endowed with surprise, suspense, and emotions.
But first, let me take the privilege of announcing a new category this year. She is a girl of great virtue. Her hard work is commendable, and her enthusiasm to participate in every event was appreciated by all.
On the count of three, we shall have the delight to see who is entitled as Miss Dashing Debutante. Three, two, one, and she is none other than is none other than Miss Yashvi Yadav. Congratulations, Yashvi.
And now, the most awaited title of Pradam 2020. The title of Miss Fresher 2020 goes to the most deserving girl who gave her best in all the interface rounds.
And the title of Miss Fresher goes to 3, 2, 1. And let us unveil the name of that deserving lady. Congratulations, Miss Shruti Tiwari.
Thank you. We have a message. We have a message from our very dear director, ma'am. Let's see what she has to say for us.
Yes. Good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. And congratulations to not only Sunbeam College for Women Bhagwanpur, but to the Student Council of Sunbeam Bhagwanpur for hosting Praram. Praram, as all of us know, is like a beginning, is a new, something new. And we were doing this freshers celebrations. The whole idea behind Praram is to know how many girls are coming to us, and with such good talent. We do not want students' talent to be wasted. And I'm so happy to note the way Student Council has done the hand-holding, they have done the mentoring for these young girls. I'm sure next 3 years, the coming 3 years will be full of learning, full of opportunities, full of challenges, and full of innovation. Congratulations everyone who was a part of Pradam, and especially all those 15 students, I'm told they have bagged different titles. There was a very tough competition to get those titles, but students who have got it, I'm sure you will not only be happy with the title you have got, you will try to sharpen your skills to make it even better. I would also like to congratulate Shruti and Yashasvi Yadav, because both of them have, it was neck to neck fight, and both of them are so wonderful girls. I'm sure they will lead Sunbeam College for Women Bhagwanpur in the right direction. Congratulations, Bhagwanpur. I'm so very proud of you, and compliments to all the lecturers who have put in so much effort for this Pranam. Take care, stay safe.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Now, I shall request Chairman Sir to shower his blessings on us.
A very good afternoon to everyone. And as I heard of Pradam, so many memories of so many years came flooding in, and how every year we used to assemble in the assembly ground, and we used to have Pradam every year. And this year, this is going to be a virtual Prarambh 2020. And so many minds, so many creative ideas, so much talent was there every year. And I hope the time will come back again. One more time, we will be there in front of an audience, and we will see you face to face. But having said that, the COVID-19 pandemic has taught us so many small and big lessons. It has taught us to learn, to look inwards, to interact with ourselves, first of all. And more than anything, it has taught us the unity of the human race. It has taught us we have the same bacteria, the same enzymes, the same biochemistry, whether we are rich or poor, black or white, a Muslim or Hindu or any religion or caste, doesn't matter at all. We all are belonging to the species called Homo sapiens, which is under attack by a virus. So wonderful. It has united all of us together. And I hope and I pray that the light at the end of the tunnel is there, and we are soon going to be out of it. We are developing immunity, and as time goes by, the vaccine is also going to be with us. The fact remains that the students are the least affected. The young people, most of them in your age bracket, are not that much affected, and but they are more affected as far as academics is concerned. So welcoming all the freshers, and congratulations to Yashaswini Yadav and Shruti Tiwari for being there today, getting the honors. Congratulations to all the mentors, to Vibha ma'am, to Madhulika ma'am, and team Pratima ma'am, as I call the entire team here. So congratulations to all of you for putting up a show. It's not easy to do the virtual events on such a platform. It's very, very difficult to practice, to bring out the screen sharing, to do all the technical things which have to be done in clockwork precision. In fact, on the stage you can rewind, but here you cannot. And it's kudos to all of you. But we learned a lot of new tricks. We learned how to adapt. And the fact remains that adaptability is the sure sign of creativity. Adaptability is the sure proof of intelligence. And if you are intelligent, you adapt. The human race has adapted to so many calamities in the last 150,000 years. And I know very well, this will pass. This is nothing. It has already passed. We all have to look forward into the future with smiles, laughter, and music. So learn at home, be safe, and be proud of your college, be proud of your friends. Whenever you get a chance, come to college and come and see us offline. Be in the college offline. Sometimes me and ma'am, we just walk down to the back, to the college area, and we go to your office. We meet Madhulika ma'am, we meet Vibha ma'am and your teachers, and we are so happy to see that many students are coming up for the classes. So I don't think that you have to stay at home, and somebody has very correctly said also, with precautions, if you move out, your immunity increases. So don't stay at home. Don't be a couch potato. I'm sure you must have seen all the Netflix films by now. There's nothing left to see, and all the serials of right from Arya to Sapna to whatever. So you have seen everything. There's nothing more to see. Obviously, that you still will be going through, shifting through so many of those things, and there's hardly any news channel or any music channel or any music which is left now in the last 8 months. I'm sure you all have done all the courses as far as the social media is concerned. So offline is going to be a great attraction, and let's get back to school. Let's get back to college now as soon as possible. So wishing you all the best. A warm welcome to all the freshers. A great moment at Prarambh. Next year, Prarambh again, where 2020 Prarambh will be remembered in 2021 Prarambh. No doubt about it. Wish you all the best. Take care, all of you. Be very, very safe. Jai Hind and congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. But then, sir, let's not break the legacy. So, would you like to sing 2 lines for our dear freshers?
Okay, let me just get my guitar. I'll try to sing something for you.
Oh, thank you so much. So, that would be wonderful.
We express our heartfelt gratitude to our very
Yeah, carry on, carry on. Can you all hear me?
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Yes.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जा, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा। ये शाम मस्तानी दूर रहती है क्यों, मेरे पास आती नहीं, होठों पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं, तेरी शर्म तेरी हया हंस के जहर कोई पी जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी जो हो किए जा, ला 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 ला। Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. You made our day. Thank you so much, sir.
We express our heartfelt gratitude to our very dear Pratima ma'am, Madhulika ma'am, and Vibha ma'am for being the pillar of support for the success of the first ever virtual Prarambh.
We are extremely honored to have the best judges to judge various events of Abhivekti, who not only appreciated the efforts but also gave some valuable inputs to our freshers. We had the privilege of having Dr. Saumitra Banerjee, Mr. Ranjan Majumdar, Ms. Prachita Pandey, Mr. Saurabh Chakravarti, Ms. Reema Datta Roy, Mr. Manjula Shastri, Dr. Saurabh Sen, Mr. Shivang Shekhar, Ms. Vanita Midha, Ms. Shipra Chakravarti, Ms. Utkarsha Mukherjee, Dr. Smriti Shukla, Dr. Soumya Singh, Mr. Tarun Rajesh, and Dr. Pushpalata. Here are some glimpses of what our dear judges spoke in appreciation.
Focused on positive things more than negative things in my life. And trust me, this is the only way you can live your life happily. I'm sure most of you will agree with me on this. I know we all have our worst days when being positive is not
happy
easy.
to hear from you, Janvi, and the confidence level again. I really appreciate from the core of my heart, and congratulations to the Sunbeam College of Women, because the way the college is shaping all of you, I can see a better future, reshaping, restructured in the way that the era demands. And congratulations to the directors and principal of the college. Very happy to see the women coming out with their own voices, their own thoughts, their own talent.
Excellent presentations. I refuse to accept, though I'm saying this on a lighter note, I refuse to accept that you are all first-time speakers. So which means you have done your job really, really well. And all the best to all of you for all future endeavors. I'm really sure that you are going to do even better the next time when you are on the mic or when you're connecting with people through a Zoom call.
अरेंज करवा पाना, सबको बुलाना, आप लोगों ने एवीज रेडी करवाए, श्रुति और दिशा ने बहुत अच्छे से कंडक्ट किया प्रोग्राम. Congratulations to both of you.
Allow me to extend my gratitude. Allow me to extend my gratitude to our dear professors cum mentors who had been with us through thick and thins in all the events of Abhivyakti 2020 and for providing us with all the knowledge and moral support to face the challenges. Special mention to Rajesh Sir from Sunbeam School Bhagwanpur for handling the intricacies of multimedia.
I am very proud to say that this year my council worked really hard mentoring their juniors in this Abhivyakti. I thank all the members from bottom of my heart for being a strong support. Tripti Verma, Shruti Narayan, Udisha Yadav, Amulya Agrawal, Achal Singh, Shalini Mishra, Anjali Anand, Ananya Oja, Kajal Soni, Khushbu, Ayushi Dubey, Anushri Devroy, Ishita Chatterjee, Rimika Srivastava, Sanskriti Pandey, Varsha Patel, and Ayushi.
A special mention to the Cyber Force and the technical team, Shraddha, Kajal, Jyoti, and Shambhavi for all the efforts in preparing the digital outputs. I am also indebted to the Masters of Ceremony, Aanchal Singh, Muskan Singh Walia, Shalini Mishra, Udisha, Kajal, and Anjali for excellently moderating Abhivyakti and Prarambh 2020. Extending a heartfelt gratitude to the head girl, Ms. Tanisha Agrawal, for being the best motivator and influencer for the entire Students' Council. Kudos to the Student Council who had been like a rudder in the ship during Abhivyakti and Prarambh 2020.
Now, I shall request our Honorable Administrator, ma'am, to kindly extend words of gratitude.
Thank you, Tanisha, and Jai Hind to everyone. A warm welcome to all the new entrants to the Sunbeam family. The entire spectrum of Abhivyakti has seen talent coming out of you, and different kinds of, all kinds of talent we have unfolded, and we were able to catch on to the best singer, to the best debater, the best quizzer. And I'm so proud that, that this set of students, the set of the year 2020 has seen a lot of good students coming to the college. Though everything was shut down, but then the gateway to Sunbeam was open for all the good students to come here. Thank you so much, students, for opting to study here for your bright future. And the way you all have overwhelmingly participated in the event, in spite of the constraints that you have, it really is, I appreciate your efforts and the initiative that Student Council took to formalize this and came up with the idea. Everything said and done, Pratima ma'am approved, and then we could come up with this kind of event. Though the thrill, the clap, all the time I was looking at the out of the window and then the stage side of it and missing. Had it been live freshers, what day would have been at this time of 3 or 4 o'clock. So next year onwards, I'm sure this fresher is also going to be a part of the best kind of the city knows about Prarambh. The city knows about the vibrance of Prarambh. So next year onwards, I'm sure all of will be witness to a very, like our next Prarambh 2020 is going to be the best one till now, because we have missed something has been missed out on this. But then with your efforts, Student Council, you have done the best, and congratulations to the head girl along with all your Student Council members. I've seen you work for the last 10 days and you have missed your classes, but then I'm sure you'll make up to that. But then The way you all came up, it really makes me very proud of all of you. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of Abhivekti. Thank you, Pratima ma'am, for being with us as a motivator and always saying yes to all endeavors. Thank you, board members, for appreciating us for what we do. Thank you, everyone, for making this day a memorable one for the freshers of 2020. Thank you to the two winners of Miss Fresher and the Dashing Deva of 2020. Congratulations to all the winners. With this, I would want to ask the anchors to get back.
Thank you, ma'am. With this, we come to the end of Praram 2020. With the blessings of Chairman Sir and other board of directors, with the guidance of our mentors, may the new faces of Sunbeam follows the motto of duty, devotion, and discipline. I request the dignitaries to kindly take an exit, and thereafter the other student participants can leave.